Okay. Hello friends, today I'm gonna draw a 4-leaf clover for good luck. It is easy. 1, 2, 3, go. You just have to get a square box and draw it like this. And you need the X's. You can use a ruler. And draw hearts around a small X. See, you got a 4-leaf clover. Mom taught me how to draw a 4-leaf clover. Outline it with a marker. Now we have to color it with purple and blue, or yellow and blue, or orange and red, or green and yellow, or blue and yellow, or red and yellow, or black and blue. You can really use your imagination. It's gonna look awesome. Ta-da! This is how you draw a 4-leaf clover. Let me color another one. Double luck. Now I'm drawing it with pink with Mama. Mom, help me build it. You can draw yellow or blue or green and blue. Green and yellow and blue and green. Blue and purple. Light green, dark green. Just have fun with it. Ta-da! This is how you make a 4-leaf clover. Now I'm drawing some squiggles, stars, and straight tiger lines, and I'm all done. Give it to your most favorite person for good luck. Good luck, friend. See you later.